สวัสดีค่ะ My name's Lily Silikitikun. I'm the chef and owner of restaurant ChuChai in Montreal.
Located at 4088 Rue Saint-Denis in Montreal, ChuChai has been serving a completely vegan menu, offering a wide variety of classic Thai flavors for over 25 years. Dishes use local fresh ingredients as well as products imported from Thailand, including coconut milk, soy sauce, Thai hom mali rice, and Thai sticky rice. Recommended dishes include Miang Kham, which won the Quebec Finger Food Award in 2005. You should also try Wan Krab, breaded crispy seaweed in sweet and spicy sauce, as well as Yam Mamuang, mango salad, and Bed Pad Prick Thai, vegan duck with black pepper, and Kang Dang Pet, vegan duck in red curry. ChuChai also offers cocktails and mocktails such as the MK2 and La Tigre, showcasing the exotic flavors of Thailand. The Thai Select certification is awarded by the Royal Thai government to recognize that ChuChai is committed to serving authentic Thai food using proper ingredients and traditional cooking techniques. For more information about Thai Select, please visit thaiselect.ca.
When you come to Montreal, please come to visit us at ChuChai. We're looking forward to serve you. Thank you, ka.